All right, this is the ultimate selfie stick from TELESIN. This thing has you covered when it comes to extra battery. They actually have the battery right here in the stick. You charge it up with USB-C. It does come with that cable. It has quarter thread on the bottom so you can attach it to other mounts and a little spot for a wrist strap. And it does come with a short USB-C to USB-C cord. So you put your action camera up here or a 360 camera as well. It has a quarter thread at the top, or you can use the action fingers that it comes with. And then you can plug this thing in to your device. So we plug this in here, plug this thing into your action camera, and watch this. It'll be charging as you use it. Now, this is really cool. It does have little indicators telling you how much battery is in here. But watch this. You can open this thing out. It just pulls out. And it still keeps it charged because it's up here. So you can have this thing all the way extended, and it gives you a long selfie stick to use, which is perfect for vlogging, perfect for traveling, and just getting that extra battery power and fast charging as well. So this is great for anyone with any action cameras, or even your phone can go on here. There's a lot of uses for it, and it's just great to have that extra battery. Great grip as well, and very sturdy, very strong. I highly recommend it, and TELESIN is a great and reputable brand, so you can't go wrong with them. So thanks for watching.